Today we're going to be working on restoring the headlights on my 2010 RAV4. And if you take a look at these headlights, they could use a little bit of TLC here. See, they're starting to kind of get cloudy. The plastic could use some work. So it's been about 11 years since this car was driven off the lot. And it looks like there's plenty of oxidation here that should be scrubbed away. And what I'm going to be using is Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. And in this kit comes a sanding pad, some sandpaper. This here is the 1000 grit. This here's the 3000 grit. There is some plast-x clear plastic cleaner and polish, a wool buffing pad, and headlight sealant. I've got on this table a bunch of different things that I'm going to be using, namely some masking tape. I've got some Windex glass cleaner, a bottle of water, and a drill. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and tape off parts of the car that I don't want to get scratched up, namely the painted areas around the headlights. Now, to make my life easier, I've lifted the hood just to kind of avoid having to tape this front part. I'll only have to worry about taping the lower portion of the headlights here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that process started now. Alright, so now that we got the headlight taped off, I'm going to go ahead and take the sanding pad and take the 1000 grit sandpaper. Just going to stick it on there. And then I'm going to begin wet sanding. Alright, so that's the first pass. It does look like an evenly cloudy appearance. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the 3000 grit sandpaper. So I'm going to pull this one off, putting on my 3000 grit paper. And this time we're going to sand horizontally. So right now I've got my drill, got my wool buffing pad, just going to insert it into the chuck here. So now that I've got my wool pad, I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of this plast-x. just gonna work it in slowly with slow rotations just to kind of spread the product. And then once I have the product spread, I'm gonna speed it up and buff it out. All right, that looks pretty good already. So here is right after the wool buffing. There's a comparison of the before and the after. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I get all these little corners here, and then we'll clean it off with some Windex and then put on the final coat. Final step is to put this headlight sealant on a little piece of the foam here, the foam applicator, and then just basically kind of spread it in a horizontal overlapping fashion. Now it does leave kind of a streaky residue, so it feels like it's thickening, but that looks to be it. So here it is, after the sealant has been wiped on. Nice and clear headlights. Here's your before and after.